Big Vinny B, man. Put that request out. You know I gotta take care of you, man. Shout out to December Vinny too, man. My man Sam. Demolition, Axe and Smash.
Yo, I can never flip-flop cause I lack sandals. Paint all over the track like a rap vandal. Keep it lit like a wax candle, so anybody in the path get smashed with an axe handle. Axe and Smash, the wrath of a ill tandem. Old faces better yield or I will slam them. Bringing that, yup, Yo, the demolition is it. Roles never change even if I'm flipping the script. No passion lost, and I dash endorse in these tracks cause it's still no flipping the fist. I'm just giving them hits. Stone cold facts, I do not brag. The ringmaster lock spots from the top half, and everybody think they got swag. So I cut them off, pour cold water on their hot tag. Fever pitch of the ball, you try run, be certain they'll search and destroy you. It's no place to hide, the demos will find you. Send chills up your spine, I'm just trying to remind you they are one of a kind. Walking disasters time too. Bet all the competition is sick and it's swine flu when I'm spitting rhymes full of that. Shit, they here to wreck the hype. Two demolition men, no Wesley Snipes, lost alone either. Theme getting flipped by a microphone heater, and I don't care who don't condone either. Enter the zone with the spikes, outfit all level, with Fuji at their side, making it all better, rated R. I'm spitting and captivated, lyrics like a demolition decapitation.